They all look the same, right? Not exactly. If you think all LVP or laminate flooring is created equal, this is your wake-up call. Whether you're renovating your home or flipping a property, you're probably checking out luxury vinyl plank and laminate as budget-friendly, waterproof options that look like wood. And you're not alone. They're some of the most popular flooring choices in the Bay Area. But here's the honest truth. There's a huge difference between high-end LVP versus low-end LVP and laminate. And it's not just about branding and price. For example, homeowners walk into a big box store. They see a brand name floor at a low price and they think they just scored a deal. But what they don't know is those floors were specially made for those stores with key features removed to cut costs. Let's break down the key differences so you don't get stuck with floors that look fake, scratch easy, and don't last. First one is image quality, real wood look versus fake prints. The biggest visual difference is the photo layer. This is the print image that mimics hardwood. High-end LVP and laminate use high-resolution images scanned from real wood planks like European oak or American walnut. The result? Realistic, soft-colored tones and subtle graining. Low-end flooring often reuses generic low-end wood prints. The colors can look too orange, too gray, or just plain fake. Here's a pro tip. Hold the sample 3 feet away. If it still looks like wood, it's probably high-end. If it looks plasticky, well, you got your answer. Number 2, pattern repetition. Natural variety versus obvious clones. You know that weird feeling when you walk into a room and keep seeing the same knot of wood? That's called pattern repeat, and it is a dead giveaway of cheap floors. High-end flooring usually has 10 to 20 unique plank images per box, giving it that custom hardwood feel. Low-end options? Only 3 to 5 variations. So the same knot or grain shows up over and over and over. Now, ask this question. How many different plank images are in this box? The more, the better. Number 3, texture. Registered embossing versus random bumps. When you run your hand over quality LVP or laminate, the texture matches the grain you see in the plank. This is called EIR, embossed in register. It means you feel the raised grain exactly where the images shows grain. That's what makes it feel like real wood, not just look like it. Low-end floors skip this. The texture is just random bumps that don't match the wood image. So it feels off even if you cannot explain why. Now test it. Close your eyes and run your hand over it. Does it feel like wood or just like a bumpy piece of plastic? Okay, let's pause right here. Those 3 differences, the image quality, pattern repeat, and texture are mostly cosmetic. They affect how real and beautiful your floor looks. If you're on a tight budget, you can save money by compromising a little on these visual details. But our next few items, they aren't just looks, they're about durability, performance, and long-term value. These are the must-haves if you want your floor to last and protect your investment. Construction. Thicker plus stronger equals long-lasting. Let's talk about specs. High-end floors are usually 6 to 10 mm thick for LVP and 11 to 15 mm for laminates, with an abrasion coefficient or AC of 4 to 5, meaning they can handle pets, kids, and furniture. Low-end floors are often 3 to 5 mm with thinner and cheaper ones. That means weaker click systems, easier to dent and shatter, and you'll end up spending more on leveling the subfloor. You can watch our other video about this. So ask this, what's the thickness? Anything under 6 mm? You might regret it in a year. Number 5, brand names don't mean full quality. Here's the secret most people don't know. Even brand name flooring at big box stores might not be the real product. Big box retailers often special order cheaper version from those brands, asking the factory to remove key features to sell it cheaper. So yes, the box may say the same name, but what inside is not the same quality you get from a local flooring expert. Remember, you're buying the specs, not the brand, so look under the hood. Number 6, installation. Pro results versus YouTube DIY. Let's be honest, most issues with flooring don't come from the product, they come from bad installs. That's why high-end flooring is usually sold with pro installation included. Why risk it after spending a fortune on good flooring only to skimp on installation? If you want peace of mind, stick with licensed pros who specialize in flooring, not general handyman. We understand that the flooring and home improvement project is a big investment, and it can feel overwhelming trying to choose the right materials and installer. That's why we created a simple process to guide you, ensuring you make decisions that bring peace of mind and protect your investment. Our goal is simple: to empower you with the knowledge to make informed, confident decisions. We'll present all the options, walk you through the pros and cons, and leave the choice to you, because you deserve clarity and control over your project. And one more thing. In this industry, two things matters most: chemistry and trust. Chemistry is natural. It's about finding someone you feel good working with. Trust, however, is something we earn through every step of the process. When you choose us, you're not just hiring contractors. You're building a partnership with a team committed to your success, just like we've done for so many past and repeat clients. Do you have any more questions? We're here to help. Email us anytime at hello@redeemflooring.com.